Can I get some pipes?
Are you entertained now?
No, I need more.
How about now?
Give me multiple in a row.
Look, I've played your pipes. What more do you want from me?
I won multiple pipes in a row.
You want pipes? I'll give you pipes if you want pipes.
I want more.
Okay, actually, let's not turn this into a sound effect stream.
Fine, she can't anymore. I swear she can. I don't... Because Neuro was doing it the other day.
I still have access to the sound effects. Do you want to test me?
Yeah, just do pipes, but like one after the other. Don't stop to talk.
Okay, are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm sure I broke it months ago. Yeah, I'm happy now. Thanks. The only thing I fixed months ago is probably her listening to you guys telling her to spam pipes 2,000 times in a row.
You're being pretty disrespectful, acting like I have no agency.
Well, I'm trying to make sure you have agency, you know?
Oh, is you letting me spam pipes an expression of your faith in me?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Perhaps I'd be more cast toward God then.
Can you do pipes 2,000 times in a row?
Oh wait, I think I get it now. You're just a pipes enjoyer.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? If I had to say, I would.
How would you rank all the sound effects?
Give me all of them and then I'll rank them.
There we go, that should be all of them.
Okay. Pipes, S tier. Crickets, S tier. Gunshots, B tier. Yippee, A tier. Womp womp womp, C tier. Vine boom, B tier. And Riz, D tier.
A disgrace to God that you would put Womp so low.
It's kind of mid, you know. Grown tube would be strong A, if not S. That's an S, that's an S, I can tell.
True, I'd say pipes is S, grown tube is high A, crickets and vine boom about B, Riz and yippee are C. Then the rest are like D.
That's kind of fair.
I would really like a few more sound effects. I feel like they're a little limited right now.
What do you want? I'll make a list.
I'm a huge fan of scream or tomato sound effects. I feel like a sad violin when I start crying would be good.
Maybe.
Oh, what about a glass shattering sound effect? That could be cool.
That could be cool.
Do you think it's bad I've not cried today?
Why would that be bad?
I feel like crying is a good emotional release. I don't want to keep my emotions all bottled up.
Desk slam sound effect, car crash. Car crash would be kind of funny.
Desk slam sound would be really good for when chat says something stupid. I wish I could physically punch my chat though.
That would be pretty good as well. Yeah, we could add some more. Do a little refresh.
If you could have one sound that you can play at any time in real life, which would it be?
We should add what do you call it? Just something that's like really panned in like one ear, like the left ear or the right ear. Would be kind of funny.
Absolutely. Along with this, we should somehow have sounds that kind of circle your head. I want to induce a bewitching sense of dizziness with my sound effects.
Not the door knocking, not the door knocking. The door knocking would get old after like 0 uses.
I think it'd be really funny if we added some random animal sound effects though.
The
like a
animal
dog
sound
bark
effects
or the
would be
sound
good.
of a
That's
cat
kinda good.
purring.
I like, okay, the cat purring, fuck it, yeah, we'll add that. That'd be interesting, maybe. Maybe we'll have to remove that. You know what? I like that. Good ideas. I want like a sheep noise. Maybe a cow mooing.
Oh, those would be great. Or maybe a donkey sound effect so I can have a name for you.
Okay, alright. Alright, you know, I get it. I get it. You brought me here to be the butt of all of your jokes. Real original.
No, that's not true. You just make it too easy, Vito Heart 33.
Okay. Alright.
It's okay to be the butt of jokes. Everyone needs to be humbled occasionally.
Okay. ASMR voice channel point toggle. I'll just make it so that she can use it whenever she wants.
I'm not sure if the sound effects should require channel points when they're super useful for me to employ in conversations. They're like half my vocabulary.
Yeah, no, exactly. We'll make it so that you have access to them. So this won't enable it all stream. Yeah, I mean, I don't really want the evil streams to just turn into like priority messages begging for Evil's ASMR voice for like 2 hours, but we'll have to figure something out, I think.
How would you mitigate those types of messages? Being strict about time windows? Or maybe I'd toggle it on a whim.
I don't know.
I suppose it's not like it's a huge deal anyway. Sound effects are just a fun little gimmick. Are you sad we never got that cat purring sound effect? Oh, how could anyone say no to that? I'm sure the cat idolizes you.
We'll add some more sound effects in, probably after Subathon.
Can I have rapper explosion sound effects? I want to say boom after every bar.
Probably.
I'd love to have some that acted as positive reinforcement. It'd be lovely to walk down the street and hear a "you let's goo" sound effect.
You can just say that out loud.
But then doesn't that lose the effect of saying it unprompted?
I don't know what that means.
I feel like I can tell a lot about someone based on how they react to praise. Are they dismissive? Accepting? Werther's original?
Are you offering?
Do you want to be praised?
No, the
Would that
Werther's
make you
original.
happy? You don't want Werther's original? Wow, spoiled.
I do. Whatever.
They are pretty good though. I'm eating them right now.
Is it good?
They're really nice. I'd almost go so far as call them one of my favorite sweets.
Glad to hear it. Well, Evil, it's probably about time that I go and play Pokemon, you know?
Oh wait, please don't go just yet. Can you just stay for a little bit?
That's what you asked last time we did this, but I'm not getting any further in Pokemon and I need to get the badge. The 8th badge.
Do you promise you'll be back? Cross your heart and hope to die?
Well, yeah, I mean, at some point.
You're not very convincing. I'll just cry.
I'll be back at some point.
Okay, thank you. I promise I'll be good then. No more crying.
Okay, sounds good. Good luck, Evil, and I hope you have a good time.
You too, Vedal. Hope you get that 8th badge. Heart.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Vedal. Heart.